breaking update. There's a big controversy erupting as the BJP has shared pictures of the Congress's top brass. In these images that will be up on your screens in just a moment, what the charge that the BJP is levelling is that B.R. Ambedkar's pictures have been placed below Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. The BJP is hit out at the Congress for disrespecting Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So on your screens, in fact, is that tweet that has come in from the BJP. The charge is that whatever they speak about respecting Ambedkar is nothing but a hogwash, because that's a picture that the BJP has put out that you see on your screens, where you see bigger pictures on the top row of Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, and only below is a picture of B.R. Ambedkar. And this is the reason why the BJP says this is nothing but a lip service and again an attempt to disrespect the legacy of B.R. Ambedkar, who was earlier, as the BJP has also alleged, even disrespected by the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. And that's the reason the hypocrisy, they say, of the Congress has yet again been exposed. Let's listen in to what the BJP says.
अब्दुल्ला साहब ने फिर से एक बार इंडिया अलायंस कांग्रेस पार्टी इलेक्शन कमीशन पर सवाल और डाउट क्रिएट करने वाले लोगों को आईना दिखाया। इससे पहले भी उन्होंने कहा कि ईवीएम पर दोष नहीं डाला जा सकता। ये नहीं कह सकते कि जम्मू कश्मीर में चुनाव ठीक थे, झारखंड में चुनाव ठीक थे, वायनाड में चुनाव ठीक थे, महाराष्ट्र हरियाणा में चुनाव गड़बड़ है। और उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की प्रशंसा करते हुए कि कैसे मोदी जी ने अपने वादे रखे हैं, चाहे वो चुनाव करवाना हो या चुनाव ही नहीं बल्कि पीसफुल चुनाव करवाना हो, रिगिंग मुक्त चुनाव करवाना हो, ऐसे चुनाव करवाना हो जिस पर जम्मू कश्मीर की आवाम का पूरा भरोसा था, पूरी दुनिया ने उस पर विश्वास जताया। और जो चुनाव संपन्न हुए उसमें चाहे जीते कोई भी, हारे कोई भी, लोकतंत्र की जीत हुई और आवाम का विश्वास जो है वो प्रकट हुआ। ये तारीफों के पुल उमर अब्दुल्ला जी ने बांधे। मतलब कि उन्होंने साफ साफ कहा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने और केंद्र सरकार।
We also have our reporter Govind joining us right now on the phone line with more details. Govind, अब बीजेपी ये कहती है कि अंबेडकर जी का अपमान है कांग्रेस की पहचान, और बार बार भाजपा का ये भी चार्ज लगता है कांग्रेस के ऊपर कि बी.आर. अंबेडकर को ना ही उनकी लेगेसी को इंसल्ट किया गया है बल्कि उनका पॉलिटिकली इस्तेमाल करती है कांग्रेस। Okay, I don't think Govind can hear us just about yet, but I'm told we also have Shehzad joining us on the phone line. Shehzad, what is the charge?
Deepti, very clearly, 2 days ago, a program was held in Madhya Pradesh Congress headquarters where Jeetu Patwari is seen, and you can see that the portrait of Ambedkar ji and Bapu Gandhi ji is below the portrait of Rahul Gandhi. So for Congress party, Rahul Gandhi comes first and Ambedkar ji is below Rahul Gandhi. This is a huge insult of Ambedkar ji. You would remember Jeetu Patwari used a picture of Ambedkar ji as a diary also. You would remember that in another program of Rahul Gandhi, the photo of Ambedkar ji was kept next to the feet of Rahul Gandhi. I put it on my Twitter. And therefore, this shows the anti-Ambedkar mindset of Congress. Congress has always been anti-Ambedkar. They defeated him in elections. They made him resign. They did not allow him to give his resignation speech in parliament. They did not allow him to be,
Okay, I think I've just lost that phone line with Shehzad, but he's making a big charge at the Congress, and that's the picture that he's citing to make that charge, which is on the right of your screens. We also have our colleague Mohit joining us. Mohit, is there any response from the Congress yet on this big charge? Because the BJP says that this is a pattern. You know, if you just connect the dots time and again, this is the same Congress party, right from a Jawaharlal Nehru to a Rahul Gandhi today, who has never believed in the legacy of B.R. Ambedkar. What they've done is just undermine that legacy.
Well, Deepti, in fact, you see, BJP has been saying this for a long, long time. And when this whole debate on the Constitution happened, BJP said that it was the Congress party that demeaned the legacy of B.R. Ambedkar. And perhaps on the same line, we see that how exactly Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the BJP, has hit out at the Congress party over this particular picture. Now, I'm also watching this particular picture and the tweet that has been put in by Shehzad Poonawalla. Now, according to Shehzad Poonawalla, 2 days ago, a press conference was held at the MP Congress office. Jeetu Patwari, the state chief of the Congress party, was addressing a press conference. Now, the pictures of Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Saheb Ambedkar were below Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge. And Shahzad Poonawalla and the BJP says that Ambedkar ka apman Congress ki pehchan. So this has been the charge by Deepti from the BJP, that Congress party talks about the ideals of B.R. Ambedkar, Congress party talks about constitution and how BJP is violating the constitution. But indeed, it has been the Congress party that has always demeaned the legacy of B.R. Ambedkar, and BJP is linking this to that particular line that they have been taking for so long, that the first family of the Congress party, that is Rahul Gandhi and the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge, the pictures are above B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi. So clearly we see a big charge coming in from the BJP. We have to wait and watch how exactly the Congress party or Jeetu Patwari will respond to this, because the BJP says that this has been the trend, that how Baba Saheb Ambedkar is being used by the Congress party just for the electoral politics. But indeed, it has been the Congress party that have always demeaned and insulted Baba Saheb Ambedkar and his legacy.
Okay, Mohit and Govind, allow me a moment. Let's also listen in to a response that is again coming in from the BJP on that big charge.
अंबेडकर जी का अपमान यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। जिस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अंबेडकर जी को जीते जी 2 चुनाव हराए, जिस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अंबेडकर जी का इस्तीफा कराया, जिस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अंबेडकर जी को इस्तीफा देने के बाद अपना इस्तीफा पार्लियामेंट में पढ़ने तक नहीं दिया और उन्हें अंतिम संस्कार भी दिल्ली में उनका नहीं होने दिया, जिस प्रकार से उनको भारत रत्न से वंचित रखा गया वर्षों तक, उस कांग्रेस पार्टी ने फिर से अंबेडकर जी का अपमान किया है। आपको याद होगा कि मध्य प्रदेश के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष कांग्रेस पार्टी के जीतू पटवारी ने अंबेडकर जी की तस्वीर के साथ कैसा मखौल उड़ाया था साइन करते हुए। अब एक और कृत्य सामने आया है। मध्य प्रदेश के कांग्रेस भवन में कैसे अंबेडकर जी की तस्वीर, बापू की तस्वीर नीचे और राहुल गांधी की तस्वीर उनके ऊपर, मतलब कि राहुल गांधी ज्यादा अहमियत रखते हैं बापू और अंबेडकर जी से। यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की सोच है। महापुरुषों का अपमान यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान रही है, चाहे वो सावरकर जी हो, चाहे वो महात्मा गांधी जी के भी विचारों से अलग हटना हो, चाहे वो बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर जी हो। बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर जी के संविधान को तो लगातार तहस नहस करने का काम इंदिरा गांधी जी ने किया था। किस प्रकार से मुस्लिम आरक्षण की बात करके आज भी वो उनके विचार।
We also have Congress's Udit Raj, who's joining us right now here on the broadcast. Sir, thank you for your time and for speaking to us. How would you respond to this charge that the BJP has leveled? They say time and again, whether it's a Jawaharlal Nehru or a Rahul Gandhi today, you've only used Ambedkar as a pawn. And they are citing this picture from your MP Congress Bhavan, where there are huge pictures of Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge at the top, and only at the below is one picture of B.R. Ambedkar.
See, at least BJP doesn't have a moral right to say about Ambedkar dignity and respect. They burned the effigy of Dr. Ambedkar and a copy of the Constitution on December 12, 1949. Not only that, they degraded him to the extent that he has borrowed the Constitution from different countries, and they did not consider him that he was able to write. To that extent, they had degraded to Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar, everybody knows. They did not accept the Constitution at the initial stage, and tricolor flag for 52 years.
Udit Rajji, apologies, sir. You're leveling that charge on the BJP, but I asked you a simple question about these pictures at the Congress's Madhya Pradesh Bhavan. What do they tell us? We also have Anurag Bhadauria of the SP joining us. Anurag, phone line hold रखिएगा, मैं आती हूँ आपके पास. Let's listen into what Udit Rajji first has to say. Udit Rajji? Okay, I think we just lost that line. Anurag, आपको लगता है कि कांग्रेस के लिए it's only and only about Rahul Gandhi first, the family first, the परिवार first? B.R. अम्बेडकर की भी तस्वीर नीचे छोटी सी एक तस्वीर आती है। भाजपा का ये चार्ज है कि यही दर्शाता है कि असली मानसिकता क्या है कांग्रेस पार्टी की और पूरे इंडिया अलायंस की।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की असली मानसिकता ये है कि जनता के मुद्दों पे बात मत करो, दवा मिल रही कि नहीं मिल रही हॉस्पिटल में, उस पर चर्चा मत करो। यूनिवर्सिटीज बन रही कि नहीं बन रही हैं, या यूनिवर्सिटीज में टीचर हैं कि नहीं है, छात्र की पढ़ाई हो रही कि नहीं, और उस पर चर्चा मत करो। रोजगार मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है, उस पर चर्चा मत करो। चर्चा मत करो कि किस तरह से लोग परेशान हैं महंगाई और बेरोजगारी से। वो सिर्फ जनता का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए नई नई रोज चीज लाते हैं। भाई जनता के लिए क्या क्या बताइए आप? जनता के मुद्दों पर बीजेपी चर्चा क्यों नहीं करती? सवाल ये है, जनता है ना, जनता की बोले उन्होंने क्या क्या बताइए, उनसे पूछिए कि आपने कितने मेडिकल कॉलेज बनाए, कितने आज हॉस्पिटल की क्या हालत है।
अनुराग, आप भी विषय से भटक रहे हैं, जिस तरह उदित राज जी विषय से भटक गए, आप भी वही गलती कर रहे हैं। अब मुझे ये बताइए, या तो आप लोग मान लीजिए कि बी आर अम्बेडकर एक इशू नहीं है, क्या आप लोगों ने उनको अप्रोप्रिएट करने की कोशिश नहीं की? क्या कांग्रेस इन तस्वीरों के जरिए क्या संदेश देना चाहती है?
नहीं, आप बीजेपी की तरफ से बोल रही हैं। किसकी तरफ से? आप तो ऐसा सवाल पूछ रहे हैं जैसे हमें।
अरे जनता की तरफ से अनुराग। अब बताइए, आप सवाल चुपते हैं तो आप इस तरह की बातें करते हैं। सवाल तो पूछेंगे ना आपसे। अब ये तस्वीरें क्या दिखाती हैं? क्या समाजवादी पार्टी इसको सपोर्ट करती है?
जनता की तरफ से पूछ के एक हिम्मत है तो पूछिए जनता की तरफ से महंगाई आज क्या है देश में, पूछिए बेरोजगारी क्या है, पूछिए हॉस्पिटल की हालत क्या है, पूछिए यूनिवर्सिटी की हालत क्या है, पूछिए स्कूल की हालत क्या है, पूछिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की हालत क्या है, पूछिए ना, पूछिए डॉलर क्यों रुपए के मुकाबले मजबूत हो रहा है, पूछिए आप। नहीं पूछ पाएंगे, जनता का सवाल नहीं पूछ पाएंगे। क्यों रोड पे जानवर, छोटा जानवर घूम रहे हैं, लोगों के एक्सीडेंट हो रहे हैं, जनता ही है ना जिनकी मौत होती है। और किसकी मौत होती है रोड पे जब छोटा जानवर मिलते हैं उनको? उनका खेत चढ़ जाते हैं, किसान है, किसान की लागत का मूल्य क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? पूछिए ना, हिम्मत है तो। नहीं पूछ
तो
पाएंगे।
अनुराग, आप
मेरी
हिम्मत पे आप मत चर्चा करिए। आपने भी मुझे लगता है फोन काट दिया है। बट आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट टाइम दैट ईदर यू द कांग्रेस और द एसपीज आउट देयर विद पिक्चर्स एंड विद पोर्ट्रेट्स ऑफ बी आर अम्बेडकर, एंड यू नो दे आर आस्क्ड दीज क्वेश्चंस अबाउट whether this is just about a picture, whether this is just about usurping that particular legacy that the Congress has insulted for the longest time, as the charge is that about people's mudda or a janta's mudda or not? Let me also get in our colleague Meenakshi, who's been patiently standing by, and she'll take us through these pictures. You know, we'll go full frame on this and we'll talk about the discomfort of both the SP and the Congress. Meenakshi, as you ask them that question, whether this is just about political opportunism.
Well, absolutely, Deepti. We heard the war of words, obviously, over the phone calls which you took with various politicians. But what is the story? Let's tell our viewers now. This is a post which has been put up by Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP. What does the BJP say in this post? In this post, which has been put up by Shehzad Poonawalla, he basically puts out a picture which he says is of the Congress MP headquarters, and he says that the photos of Gandhi and Ambedkar, have been put up below the pictures of Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, using that picture basically to attack the Congress party, saying that this is a party, as the BJP Shehzad Poonawalla says, and I quote, doesn't respect Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Now look at this picture which has been posted by Shehzad. If you look at the picture, well, pictures, as we said, speak 1,000 words louder than any action. There you can see Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, their portraits, their pictures on top, and right below that, believe it or not, below Rahul Gandhi's picture, Mahatma Gandhi's, B.R. Ambedkar's picture has been put up. Now again, BJP's claim, picture put up by the BJP Shehzad Poonawalla. Another picture which he's put out is this picture. There you can see Rahul Gandhi seated right in the middle of his other comrades, of other Congress leaders, and look right at the bottom there. This is Rahul Gandhi seated, and right at the bottom, Shehzad Poonawalla has put out this picture saying that this is Baba Saheb Ambedkar's portrait, which has been put at the feet of the Congress workers. And there you can see in the picture tweeted by Shehzad that's Rahul Gandhi seated there. Shehzad is using all these pictures. We heard him basically to claim that BJP doesn't respect, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, doesn't respect the Samvidhan. Now, this is also very interesting, Deepti, and I'd like to point it out. What is this, viewers? This is the Congress's poster. Remember, Rahul Gandhi is back from his foreign sojourn, and today he is going to make his debut. He is going to enter the Delhi Dangal. And believe it or not, what is the theme of Rahul Gandhi's, rally today? It's Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim, Jai Samvidhan. So BJP obviously, likely to use this also, this theme by the Congress party when we speak of the Delhi Dangal. Rahul Gandhi's debut back from his foreign sojourn today, and in the backdrop of this rally which Rahul has been planning are these pictures which have been posted by Shehzad, which have led obviously as you know to a massive political slugfest and a furor.
Absolutely. Meenakshi, for the moment, thank you for getting us that full insight into what that tweet and those pictures really tell us. I'll also take this to Mohit. Mohit, has the Congress party cared to respond, or they believe that this is again an issue that they do not think that they should be responding to, much like what Udit Raj said?
Well, in fact, as of now, Deepthi, there has not been any official response coming in from the Congress party. And as per your conversation with the SP and the Congress spokesperson, we see that how they are trying to divert the whole issue. It was a simple question that while the Congress party and the other opposition parties talk about Baba Saheb's legacy and how the constitution, according to them, is being insulted by the BJP. But when it happens with the Congress party, when the pictures of Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge are put above Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi, does not it demean the legacy and ideology of Baba Saheb? When these questions are being asked, they try to divert from it, and they in fact try to attack the messenger, as we heard with our conversation with them. But the question, simple question over here is that it is about the Congress party that talks about the legacy of Baba Saheb. It's about the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, who take the Constitution's book in their hand. He goes to every single rally, speaks about
Okay, Mohit, apologies. I am interrupting you again, but I'm told Ajay Alok, also of the BJP, is with us on the phone line. Ajay, what would you want to say to the Congress? You know, this picture that has been used by the BJP and by Shehzad to put out a larger message, but the Congress and the SP says कि ध्यान मत भटकाइए, लोगों के मुद्दों की बात करिए. They say that you are deflecting from core issues of the people, Ajay.
This picture is not new, first of all. This picture is outside from a Congress convention, when they came out for a photo session and they put Baba Saheb just at their feet. So this just clearly means that they never considered Baba Saheb as the legacy of this country or as legend of this country. They always disrespected him. They always humiliated him. And this is for everyone to see. The history says it all, what they have done to Baba Saheb. I mean, a 40-year-long wait for a Bharat Ratna for Baba Saheb itself tells you a story. And all this facade of Congress spreading Constitution and Baba Saheb and all, this is nothing. This is just eyewash. Actually, the Gandhi family never considered anyone above them, even the country. For them, the country also came second, but their family came first. The biggest mistake to happen to this country is Congress party and Gandhi family.
All right, Ajay, we leave it there for the moment. I'm thanking all our colleagues, Meenakshi, Mohit, and also our guests for speaking to us. We'll continue to track that story. Head into a quick